This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Larry Maynard. Welsome to this beautiful Craftsman home. A blend of contemporary and traditional styling compels you to live comfortably in this 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. From the woodwork in the dining room to the stone surfaces and stainless steel in the kitchen, you'll see the quality built into this house. Warm yourself by the gas fireplace or relax with a beverage and book in the downstairs study/bedroom before retiring to the upstairs owner's main bedroom with double vanity bath, garden tub and walk-in closet. Schedule a showing soon to see what more this home has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Larry Maynard at 865-966-1111.